The Honor X75G is finally here, and in this video we are going to perform a quick unboxing of its retail box. We will have a look on the device inside, its design, features, build quality, hardware specs, and all of the usual unboxing stuff. So here we go. So first of all, let's have a look on the retail box. Here on the front side we got the name of the brand and the smartphone, Honor X7d. This is a 5G smartphone. Here we got an image of the device. It comes with NFC, we got 256 GB storage, 8 GB RAM. The color variant is Desert Gold, and this is a dual SIM smartphone. Here on the back you can see that it comes with TUV Rhineland low blue light software solution certification, and this box is printed with soy ink. So let's open the box and let's see what we got inside. So here is the Honor X75G in Desert Gold color. Here we got a quick start guide, user manual. There is a case provided for the back panel. Here is the SIM card tray ejector pin, a USB Type-C cable, and here we got an Honor Supercharge charger. So these are all of the stuff we got inside the retail box of Honor X75G, the smartphone, the SIM card tray ejector pin, quick start guide, case for the back panel, USB Type-C cable, and a 35-watt supercharged charger. So here is our Honor X75G in Desert Gold color. So let's switch on the device. After that we will go through the setup process, and then we will have a detailed look on our Honor X75G here. So the setup is done and we are good to go with our Honor X75G. So first of all, let's talk about the design and build quality. So here on the front side we got a huge 6.77-inch display with 86% screen to body ratio. So we got a bit of bezels all around the display which are symmetrical in thickness, except the bottom bezel that is a bit thicker compared to rest of the sides. At the top center of the display you will find the front facing camera. Right above it there is a tiny slit beneath which you will find the earpiece. At the top we got the microphone along with the sensor. At the bottom we got the speaker grill, USB Type-C port, primary microphone, and the SIM card tray slot. On the right side we got the volume case and the power button, beneath which you will find the fingerprint sensor. And then on the right side we got a dedicated AI button that you can use to quickly perform multiple actions as well as do AI based activities just by a single click on this button. So that's quite interesting that even though Honor X75G is an entry-level budget smartphone, Honor is promoting its AI capabilities. The back of the Honor X75G is quite minimalistic as it comes with just Honor branding and some of the regulatory information at the bottom. And then at the top we got the camera module where you will find the primary camera along with a depth sensor and LED flash. The fourth ring is just for the sake of design and symmetry. The Honor X75G is 8.24 mm in thickness and it weighs 208 grams. So considering the fact that it comes with a huge 6.77-inch display with 6500 mAh battery, the device is not that thick or heavy, and you will be able to use the device with one hand without facing any issue, as you can see here. The back panel is made of micro nano texture. Because of that, it feels really smooth while moving finger on the back panel. It looks quite beautiful as well, and at different angle the light shimmers a bit from it, giving it a very eye-catching and beautiful look. The Honor X75G comes with 5-star rating for SDS Premium Performance certification for drop and crush resistance, and it is tested for up to 2 meters of drop resistance. It also comes with IP65 water and dust resistance. So considering the price segment of the device, once again this is quite impressive that Honor decided to provide an IP rating officially on this device. It also comes with a thin screen protector applied on the display of Honor X75G to provide the protection to the display from regular usage. Now talking about the display, we got a 6.77-inch TFT LCD display with 16.7 million color reproduction, 720 x 1610 pixels resolution with 86% screen to body ratio and 20:9 aspect ratio. So the PPI you will get on the display of Honor X75G is 261, but even though it doesn't look like a huge number in terms of PPI, the display of X7d 5G is still quite nice. It is sharp enough to enjoy all kinds of content, the viewing angles are great, the colors are vibrant enough, and the display is sharp enough to have a nice viewing experience on it. And considering the price segment of the device, it's still pretty good. It comes with up to 120Hz refresh rate along with multiple IR technology like the DC dimming, dynamic dimming, software-based low blue light mode, and an ebook mode to provide less fatigue to your eyes while using the Honor X7d 5G. The maximum peak brightness can go as high as 700 nits, and in the high brightness mode you will get up to 850 nits, so you won't face any issue while using the device in bright sunny outdoors. At 120Hz refresh rate, the display of Honor X7d 5G is quite smooth. We will see in our gaming review of the device that how good it's going to be and whether we will be able to play some of the high-end heavy graphics game up to 120 FPS or not based on the hardware we got here. Talking about the hardware, the Honor X7d 5G comes with Qualcomm Snapdragon 6S Gen 3 processor. We got 8GB RAM and the Honor RAM Turbo technology that adds up to 8GB of RAM. So virtually you will get up to 16GB of RAM on Honor X7d 5G. It comes with 256GB internal storage, out of which 233.51GB is free for user once you start using the device. It comes with NFC that you can use for multiple purposes. When it comes to battery, we got 6500 mAh battery with 35-watt fast charging with DxOMark's Good Battery Gold certification. So we will see how good the performance of the battery of Honor X7d 5G is going to be in our future videos. When it comes to software, the Honor X7d 5G comes with Android 15 with Magic OS 9.0 that is quite feature rich and comes with plenty of options and settings that you can use to improve your productivity and do various customization. It also comes with Honor AI, and we got plenty of AI based features like the Magic Text, Magic Portal, AI Subtitles, AI Translate, AI Writing, and as we have seen earlier, it also comes with an AI button. If you press it once, then you will get all of these options that you can perform quickly on your Honor X7d 5G. It also comes with Magic Capsule feature that provides quick information regarding the recording, media playback, and clock at the top of the display for better productivity. Now talking about the camera, we got an 8MP front-facing camera, 108MP camera on the rear, along with a 2MP depth sensor. If you launch the camera application, this is the user interface you will find. So you can see that in the photo mode, we got the HDR along with the moving photos. If you go to portrait mode, that is a combination of beautification and the bokeh effect, and it also comes with HDR. We got the dedicated night mode. In the video, you can see that we can record full HD resolution videos up to 30 FPS. So the 4K resolution video recording or the 60 FPS video recording is not available on Honor X7d 5G. We got the Pro mode where you can do manual customization for various imaging parameters. And then if you go to the more, here we got the options for multi-video, slow motion, panorama, time-lapse, stickers, high resolution photo, story, and scan document. So considering the price segment of the device, we got plenty of camera modes and options here on Honor X7d 5G. As you can see here, we will see in our future videos that how good the camera performance of the device is going to be. But right now, just wanted to give you a quick idea that what are the features and options we got here when it comes to camera on our Honor X7d 5G here. So overall, the Honor X7d 5G is looking a pretty solid smartphone in every aspect considering its price segment. It comes with 120Hz refresh rate display with up to 850 nits brightness, 5-star SGS certification for the durability, IP65 water and dust resistance, huge 6500 mAh battery with 35-watt charging, a dedicated AI button for better productivity, and plenty of Honor AI features along with a capable looking 108MP rear camera. But this is just the first impression video of Honor X7d 5G. Many more videos of this device like the gaming review, benchmarking test score results, comparison with other smartphones, etc. will be uploaded very soon on this channel. So do not forget to hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon to get the notification when those videos are live. And if you enjoyed watching this one, then give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, subscribe the channel, and I will see you guys next time in another video. Have a nice day.